we present Videotater, a novel set of visualizations and interactions designed to facilitate the segmentation and tagging of video for later repurposing. The interface of Videotater consists of a tagging palette where tags can be created and selected, a playback window for reviewing temporal aspects of the video, and a timeline representation where a majority of the interaction takes place. The timeline view can be expanded onto multiple rows and wraps horizontally. It is divided into a segment view and a stripe image view. The segment view shows an explicit representation of where the video has already been segmented. The stripe image provides a visual scent of the underlying pixel colors and their evolution on the timeline, and aids the user in seeing where new segments should be created. Hovering over the stripe image allows for rapidly reviewing the video by popping up the frame under the cursor. Hovering over a segment pops up the polyfocal visualization, which indicates the in and out frames of the segment, as well as contextual frames from the neighborhood of the in and out frames. Segments can be trimmed by clicking one of these context frames. There are also buttons for tagging, clearing tags, and for playing back a segment. On the timeline, there are two primary gestures which support rapid segmentation. A vertical gesture splits a segment, attempting to snap to the nearest likely shot boundary, and a horizontal gesture merges segments. Selections are made on the timeline by dragging out a range on the stripe image using low stylus pressure. Pressure feedback is shown as a small watermark, indicating low to high. Tags can be selected from the tag palette by clicking them. The selected tag is drawn on the timeline as an orange bar, and within this, an icon of that tag reminds the user which tag is being shown. Using high pressure, tags are painted directly on the timeline. Painting on the stripe image tags frames, whereas painting on the segment tags the entire segment. Tags can be erased from frames or segments by using the eraser end of the stylus in the same way.